In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Pipedrive, a vital tool for tracking your sales and managing your customer relationships effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, open up Pipedrive. Once you're logged in, look for the left sidebar menu on your screen. You'll want to click on the option labeled Insights. This is where all the magic happens regarding data visualization and analysis. Now, once you're in the Insights section, you're going to want to create a new report. At the top left of your screen, you should see a button that says Create. Click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Reports. This will take you to the area where you can start customizing your report. The next step is to choose your data. Pipedrive allows you to select an entity, meaning you need to decide what kind of information you want to analyze. This could range from deals, activities, leads, and more. After selecting your entity, you'll also need to choose a report type. This is essentially how you want to measure the data you've selected. For instance, you can look at performance, progress, or specific outcomes. Once you've got your entity and report type chosen, it's time to customize the visuals of your report. This is where you can make your data as digestible and clear as possible. Start by determining the graph type that best suits the information you're presenting. Do you want to compare multiple values? A bar chart works great for that. If you're tracking trends over time, a line graph might be the best option. Or if you want to showcase parts of a whole, then a pie chart would be the way to go. But that's not all. You might not want to see all your data. Sometimes it's useful to narrow it down. Pipedrive offers filter options. You can set filters based on specific date ranges, pipelines, or even particular team members. This way, the report becomes tailored to your needs, focusing only on the most relevant information. Now let's talk about the measure aspect, which is about defining what exactly you want to calculate. For example, you could analyze the number of deals closed in a month or the total deal value. It's all about what insights you're hoping to glean from this report. After you have everything set up and looking just how you want it, the final step is to save your report. Look to the top right corner of your screen and hit the Save button. You'll be prompted to give your report a clear, descriptive name so you can easily find it later. Make sure you choose something that reflects the content of the report clearly. Once you've entered the name, click Confirm to finalize it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a report in Pipedrive. Remember, this process can greatly improve your insights into your sales performance and help you make informed decisions moving forward. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the